Okay, so I wanted to just show you analytics in YouTube. So if you're starting like from day one, let me just encourage you to keep going because I've started and stopped and started and stopped. So I want you to do even better than what I've done. I just want you to stay with it. And from what I have seen from very successful people on YouTube is they just stay consistent. And so my goal is to do post 2 videos a week. I'm going to probably batch like I'm doing today. It's like my 4th video because once you sort of get in the groove, it's easier just to keep going rather than just getting up and not really feeling like it and having to get yourself in the groove. So when you are in the mode and you're rolling, I would suggest that you just keep making them until you get tired. And then you can schedule them, or you can work tomorrow on the thumbnail and the next day you can upload, or you can just download them all now and upload them and schedule them, but it's a lot. So I would just do one. Just do one. But I wanted to show you, in all fairness, I'm not starting from scratch because I have been on YouTube for several years, but I have just not really gone all in. I mean, I've just not jumped in with both feet, and I am going to do that now. And I want to get monetized because I would love to have another stream of income. And if I can get monetized on YouTube and make passive income, so one day when I want to retire, I can, have passive income. And it's only takes, 20 minutes to make a video, and maybe 30, 35 after you upload it and put in the description, keywords, and make a Canva thumbnail. Or you can make one in other places like I showed you, like TubeBuddy. But once you get a pattern in Canva, you just reuse that same pattern and you just change the words. I mean, it's super easy. So in other words, the more you do this, the faster you'll get at the whole process. At first, it's sort of painful and laborious and tedious. But once you get in the groove, you just be, knocking them out one by one, 2 by 2. So anyway, I wanted to show you my stats to show so we can, it can be a true case study. So today is May 16th, 2024. And I'm batching these videos. And in my stats in the back office here of YouTube, you can see I already have over here where it says earn, and yours should say this too, earn. It will show you your eligibility. Okay, so it shows you how many subscribers you have. So if you're starting from 0, it'll say 0, and you have to get to 500, okay, which is possible. Then you have to do 3 video uploads the last 90 days, which if you're doing 1 or 2 a week won't be a problem. And here's where I fell short. 519 public watch hours in the last 365 days, and I need 3,000. Okay. Or it says one of the followings, or you can have 495 public shorts views, which are like, I think they're 5 seconds and under, but you can Google that and check on that. You have to have 3 million. So I thought, I'd rather go for this one. And then other ways to monetize are down here that you can read about. But for now, I wanted to show my stats so I can see, and, hopefully it will inspire you and encourage you, as I have watched other people's YouTube channels, and it has really inspired me to just be consistent and to grow, week by week. And from what I've seen, it's more or less with consistency, it becomes like a snowball effect where, it starts like a snowball and turns, it just the more you roll, the bigger the snowball gets. And then over the hump, boom, over the hill, rolls down. That'll be the day. That'll be the day that I get monetized. I'll be so happy. And then the goal is just to continue being consistent with 2 videos a week and into, you know, into infinity, as they say. I just want to keep doing it. And I'm hoping through the comments, I saw someone said, you don't have to be a slave to someone's comments, as meaning they say, I want you to do a video, then you feel like you have to do the video. But I welcome the suggestions and comments. If it's something in my knowledge base, I look at it as being serving you. So I would be happy to serve you if it's something that I can find out about or that I already know about in the online world. Then yeah, I don't look at it as a negative thing. I look at it positively if it's something that I feel confident in sharing with you about how I've made money online or anything else in my life that you think I can help you with, and that's appropriate. I would be happy to chat with you in the comments below. So I would love it for you to engage. The more you engage with videos, the more YouTube says, wow, okay, that video is getting some engagement. So it's helpful. It's helpful, for me and other YouTubers to do the same thing for them. And from what I know about SEO, and of course it changes from month to month, year to year. If you go and comment on similar videos in your niche, I believe it gives you a bump. We can experiment with that and see if that is the case or not. Excuse me, but if you're starting out and it's just a general niche, you're not really sure, what you want to talk about. Excuse me. Then that wouldn't really apply. So, excuse me, when you are doing experiment or case study where you're trying different things, you somehow, at this point in the game, you don't really have enough data, excuse me, to really substantiate, okay, me going to other people's channels and commenting made a difference. It does in blogging, but YouTube, I'm not really sure about yet, but we'll find out. So I hope that's helpful to you. This is where I'm starting again. These are my stats from May 15th, Thursday, May 16th, 2024. And hopefully we're going up from here. And I hope your channel does too. And if you have a similar channel or a channel that you would like for me to comment on, just leave it below in the comments and I'll see it. Okay. Have a great day. Bye now.